Dear Sir, Para, we are received in your letter of yesterday date and thank you for your inquiry. Para, we are pleased to say that we can supply carpets, curtains, and furniture such as you propose to use in the 18th century house which you have bought in Mysore. Para, during the past few years, we have specialized in the manufacture of furniture for the older type of houses, and in order to achieve the best results and to give greatest satisfaction to our customers, we employ experts in design. Para, we are sending under separate cover a fully illustrated catalog which will give you a good idea of the styles of furniture which we manufacture. We need hardly say that we also stock carpets and curtains materials which are in keeping with the furniture. Para, our experience is that the best method is for a customer to supply us with the size of the rooms or preferably to allow us to inspect the house for which the furniture is required, and then for him to arrange to visit our showrooms in the city where we have model rooms on a small scale that convey an excellent idea of our class workmanship and the careful attention we pay to artistic effect to give you sound quality. Para, we shall therefore esteem it a favor if you will either supply us with details of sizes or suggest a date upon which it will be possible for us to visit your house. Para, we hope and trust that you will not hesitate to take full advantage of the special facilities offered to you. Para, thanking you, yours faithfully. Ladies and gentlemen, Para, I have great pleasure in welcoming you to the 15th annual general meeting of your company. The director's report and the annual accounts have been with you for some time now. With your permission, I shall take them as read. Para, your company has of late successful invested in several new ventures. Our products are sold not only in India but in the competitive foreign markets. During the past few years, your company has been able to achieve significant growth and to diversify its business activities as our business philosophy has been strongly oriented towards the customer. As you know, the conduct of any business is related to a set of activities such as manufacturing, marketing, finance, selling, distribution, etc. These are carried out by efficient teams of people working harmoniously in the organization. Para, as far as your company is concerned, all activities are bound together into an integrated pattern by the irresistible desire to deliver what the customer wants and to provide significant value addition in this process. This belief is put into effect in the various division of your company. These peculiar aspects makes everyone in the organization a customer oriented person. Para, so far as expert business is concerned, the customers need high international quality, competitive pricing, and adherence to strict time schedules. We are able to meet the delivery schedules and to maintain the quality expected. We also price our products competitively and yet are able to derive reasonable profit as a result of our cost efficiency.